Parmeshwar Bhaiya, who have helped us in everything possible. Can we stop the spotlight? Okay. Yeah, thanks. So, thank you to their entire team who have helped us at every juncture. Our demands were sometimes untimely, unreasonable, and sometimes unbelievable also. Do you really want that? So, we were always, because we could see the whole picture, but they were always on time and they helped us out with everything. We would like to thank you, dear parents, for coming here today in large numbers and supporting us and the children. It was a weekday and I understand it wouldn't have been easy, but with your presence you made it a very strong day instead of a weekday, pun intended. And I would like to thank the stars of today, the children who are backstage, some of them are here, who have been very patient with us, who have helped us with everything, who have practiced with a smile every time something was told, something was changed, something was shifted, but they kept their patience, they kept their charm, and that's what kept the energy flowing. The teachers. I can't thank the teachers enough. Do we have class 5 teachers here? See, it's one thing to conceive an idea in the staff room, and it's completely another to portray it on a stage. And why it is difficult? Because you have to bring on board about 250 children. Everybody has to come, perform, and then they have to exit neatly for you to understand what just went by. So for that, I think I have all the teachers. Can you please give them a big round of applause? Not just them, the art and craft teachers, the music teacher, the dance teacher, and the co-curricular activity in charges who've been standing on one foot, the timetable in charge, ma'am, because she was the one who kept the floor running while we all were busy preparing for something bigger to present to you. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. A bigger round of applause, I expect. Thank you. A little bit of deliberation about the theme for this year. It was Yugantar. When we were contemplating a lot of themes, we thought of doing Yugantar because we wanted children to connect with their roots. We wanted them to experience something. Because the idea was conceived, but how to present it, how to make the children go through the entire procedure, that was a different idea. It's like when Dinkarji writes in his poems, in one of the poems Dinkarji writes, भारत नहीं नाम देश का, ये तो है गुण नर विशेष का. So what he means that India is not a place, it's actually an emotion. जहाँ हम भारत को स्थानवाचक संज्ञा समझ रहे थे, वो actually गुणवाचक संज्ञा है. So that emotion and emotions have to be lived, they have to be experienced, and hence Yugantar. So, thank you. So that is where the idea came from. I'll complete Dinkarji's poem. भारत नहीं नाम देश का, ये तो है गुण नर विशेष का. शील नहीं है एक देश का, ये तो है भूमंडल भर का. जहां कहीं एकता अखंडित, जहां प्रेम का स्वर है. जहां कहीं एकता अखंडित, जहां प्रेम का स्वर है. देश देश में वही बसा, भारत जीवित भास्वर है. And when we conceive something like this, it's not just the dance, drama, music, and dubbing. There's a lot more. Children become leaders. They collaborate with each other. They communicate with each other. They participate. They tell what is. They know that they are a small cog in a big wheel, and they understand their position. So that collaboration cannot be taught. When they come on stage, they grow it, they develop it. First person is dependent, and third person has to be reactive to the fourth one. They automatically take positions, they automatically become leaders. So not only we have created actors and dancers, we've also created leaders today. Thank you. And I would be lying if I say that we did not actually had fun. We did. We had a lot of fun while preparing for the program. And we've curated a small behind the scenes video which you would be seeing. Not only we want you to see the video, we want you to also enjoy the journey that we all went through. dancing on the stage, they were also dancing on the iron and on the chairs. So that would also give my little actors some time to change costumes, and that will also give us a small peek, all of you, into our journey of creating Yugankar. With that, I would just close with Nida Fazli line. I know I have quoted Nida Fazli lines on this stage before. थोड़ा धूप में निकलो, थोड़ा बारिश में नहा कर देखो, थोड़ा धूप में निकलो, थोड़ा बारिश में नहा कर देखो, जिंदगी क्या मजेदार चीज है, किताबों को हटा कर देखो. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you for being here today.